Cheeky monkey. Understanding a playful English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fun and playful phrase you might hear in English-speaking countries, cheeky monkey. This phrase is rich in cultural context and is a great example of informal English. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and origins together. Cheeky monkey is a light-hearted phrase used to describe someone, often a child, who is being mischievous or playful in a way that is endearing and not seriously bad. The word cheeky refers to someone who is impudent or irreverent in a charming or amusing way. When combined with monkey, a playful and sometimes mischievous animal, it creates an affectionate expression used to address playful mischief. The phrase, cheeky monkey, has its roots in British English and has been a part of the language for many years. It's believed to have originated from the way monkeys in nature often exhibit playful, mischievous behaviors. Over time, this phrase has spread and is now understood in many English-speaking countries, albeit more commonly in the UK. Understanding when and how to use cheeky monkey is crucial. It is often used in a familial or friendly context. For example, a parent might say it affectionately to their child who has just played a harmless prank. It's important to note that this phrase should be used in a light-hearted manner and in situations that are not serious. There are similar expressions in English that convey a sense of endearing mischief. Phrases like, little rascal, or little scamp, also describe someone, usually a child, who is mischievous in a cute or endearing way. These expressions, like cheeky monkey, are used affectionately and often in a playful context. I hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, cheeky monkey, and its place in the English language. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about culture and expression. So next time you hear someone being called a cheeky monkey, you'll know they're being playful and mischievous in the most endearing way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.